Did you ever have a brilliant idea while you were out taking a walk, listening to a podcast, only to forget it later when you came back home? Or you wish you had a quick and easy way to dump your thoughts directly into your Notion? Today I'm going to show you how I do just that. I'm using nothing else than my iPhone and NotionOS. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain exactly what I mean by a NotionOS. It's essentially a personalized workspace in Notion that I've set up to manage my content creation process. I use this system to capture, develop and produce all my YouTube content, and it has been a game changer for my productivity. Today I'm going to show you one of its most powerful features. So here is my Notion OS. This is the system I use to set up my YouTube production or my content planning. You see on the dashboard I have a section with social media channels and tools I use frequently, but more importantly I have this quick notes function that allows me on my iPhone via a shortcut to Notion create a quick note with voice. The voice is automatically captured and transcribed, and you see it will immediately pop up also in my Notion dashboard. Once it's there, when I come back home, I can easily then take the voice notes, add them to a content pipeline and start the process from that step onwards. Alright, let's quickly recap the main benefits of this system we explored today. First of all, it's always accessible, so you never miss a great idea. It's flexible enough to capture various types of thoughts and inspirations, and it also helps you organize your ideas for easy retrieval and development later on. I really encourage you to give this system a try for yourself. Adapt it to your own needs and workflow. You might be surprised at how it boosts your creativity and productivity like it did mine. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.